How to change engine air filter in 2002 Subaru Forester. First, you must locate box. The bolt to the right of the box is 10mm. It is threaded like normal. Unscrew it. Use the 10mm ratchet to unscrew the bolt. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. Undo the clamps. After you unclamp the box, rotate it like this. And if it's dirty, you need to replace it. The one I had in my car at the time was dirty, so I replaced it. This is actually an edited image of the filter in the spot, but it is actually my filter. Here is a picture of it after I took it out. As you can see, it's filthy and in need of replacement. You can get a new filter for your 2002 Subaru Forester from Napa for around $25, though you may be able to find it online for cheaper. Once you put the new filter in the housing, rotate the housing clockwise back into the intake area. Make sure that it is fully in the way it was before. No gaps, so no unfiltered air can get in the engine. After you rotate the filter back down, resecure the clamps, line up the bolt with the hole, and tighten it back up.